Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Yallahs. Now this project is part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project to build a highway from Harborview in St. Andrew through St. Thomas through Portland into Port Antonio. Well, Port Antonio is in Portland. And we just toured the section from Harborview to the Yallahs Bridge, and we just crossed over the Yallahs Bridge and we are now going into Yallahs. Now, would you believe that this road is a part of the highway project? Yep, this road is a part of the highway. Now, this road is in a terrible state. It was one of the sections to be done by the local subcontractors. China Harbour Engineering is the main contractor. They are responsible for everything. But in certain sections, they subcontracted out the work to local subcontractors. So this section is one of the sections where people were complaining about the state of the road and how quickly or how long it was taking to build. So China Harbour Engineering Company has taken over some sections that they gave to the subcontractors. I don't see any work being done on this section, but the section between the Harborview Bridge and the Yallahs Bridge is far advanced and a lot of work is taking place, and that section should finish by August of this year. So hopefully after that section is finished, they will start working on this section. Now, remember the highway goes from Harborview to Port Antonio. So there are many different phases or sections of the project, but the entire project should finish by August 2025, and we have videos up going through in more detail the issues that arose between the subcontractors and China Harbour, and then the residents were not pleased because this is the road they have to drive on. So you can check out those videos to get more details on that. But this is Yallahs, and although it's a lot of discomfort to drive on this road, when it's finished, it will definitely be something spectacular. Never before has this side of the island seen roads of this quality. Now through here, the road won't be 4 lanes, it will be 2 lanes, but it will be a highway quality road. Much better than this or any road I've ever had before. So